In some rows, the stretch in between the same color can be too long. I consider a long stretch which is more than 6 stitches in between the same color. Here you can see 8 at the beginning of the row and then 15 stitches before the next orange color. From the inner side, the stretches most likely will be too loose or too tight if you don't do anything with it. I'll show you how to have better control over the thread and make it neater on the wrong side. I divide all stitches in between that way that in each part I get no more than 6 stitches. Here I would divide evenly 5, 5, 5. However, in the beginning I have 8 stitches. I divide them here as 4, 4. It means that after 4 stitches I change the way I hook the thread. You can see that the first 4 stitches I'm picking up on the orange thread, next 4 I'm picking up over the orange thread. This way this orange thread gets entangled. Afterward, I have my 15 stitches of dark gray, and now I come to the scheme 5, 5, 5. I have to pay attention to how tight the thread behind and tighten it up if needed. I hope you get the idea about long stretches, and now your knitwear will look even better. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get more knitting tips in the future. Thank you for watching!